second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Hey, welcome to my channel, y'all. This is long overdue, but it's right on time for the season change, baby. Period. 2024, it's gonna be a banger. Period. But before we get into everything that we're gonna get into today, because I know you read that title and I know you know what I'm gonna be doing today. So before we get into everything, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn the post notification on so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So y'all, yeah, I'm so excited because I'm so excited because no way I'm finally doing this. I literally started 3 years ago, but probably 4, I don't know, a long time ago, and that was terrible. But enough about the past. Let's just start here. We doing a wig and style, and I'm gonna show you each product I use. Let's just jump right into the video. So y'all, let me show you the wig I got. This is the wig. It's not even that long. It's 20 inches because I'm really trying to give natural look, the natural curl. You know what I'm giving? Because this is not deep wave, y'all. This is kinky curly hair. So I'm really trying to give natural, and I already don't bleach the knot. Where did I look? Let's get into some things. Yeah. Well, yeah, this the way I'm gonna be putting on. Y'all gonna see start to finish. Y'all, it really do not take me long to do a wig install on my head. Like on myself, I can literally put a wig on in 5 minutes. Like boop 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 boop, pop, swoop swoop swoop. It's nothing. It's nothing. I do this shit fast as hell. Not too much on my head because when I take this bun out, just not too much. Please be advised, be aware of what you're finna see next. Don't do too much because it just breaks down, y'all. But
where's your hair? Let me see it. Why you couldn't
but yeah, girl, child, please. Like, look at, not too much over here. I'm trying to grow my edges back. But y'all, I got some edges though on this. Y'all, look at the braids now. I need a new braid down, but not too much. We just gonna work with what we got right now. So I'm gonna just scoop this up, and I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I'm gonna scoop these edges back, and we're gonna put our cap on. Over here, we do not do the wig cap method because you don't need it. Actually, you only need it if your forehead, motherfucker, you don't got no forehead, you need it because you don't want to put glue on your edges. But motherfuckers like me, yeah, I don't need it. So let's put the wig cap on. Introduce myself because I've been just rambling. It's 5 minutes in and I ain't introduced myself. Yeah, I guess I'm a little nervous. What I'm nervous for? Y'all are my peoples. Y'all know me. Well, y'all don't, but y'all finna get to know me. Okay, so y'all, my name is Kaya. My channel name is Mikyia Beauty because basically we finna be doing all things beauty. I'm an esthetician. We finna do all things beauty. I am 21. My birthday in August. I'm a Virgo, y'all. A twin. Y'all probably gonna see him on the channel. Yeah, probably gonna see him on the channel soon, or one of these videos y'all gonna see him. I'm from Georgia. Little small town. Just graduated in 2023. At the end of 2023, actually, November 30th. I still can't grasp that achievement because it's just like, it went so fast, but yeah, I just graduated. Let me it also let me put the makeup on the wig too. Skipping a little step and getting a little too excited. Don't mind my lashes, y'all. I got appointments next Saturday. Shout out to my lash tech, Nisha. She don't play, she gets them. I had these lashes on since December the 27th. It is now January the 10th. It's been 2 weeks and longer, cause yeah, y'all look pretty. Getting sexy already, y'all. I'm not okay. I still look the same. It just that forehead a little big. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That forehead is a little big, shit, but it's okay. I'm gonna cut these ear tabs out. It was on. There we go. I want to play some music, but I'm kind of talking to y'all. Like, what y'all want to see, like, from me? What do y'all want to see? Because I'm open to suggestions as well. As well, like, I'm gonna really be getting some good content. For real. Boom. We might have to do a little more plucking to this side, y'all, because it's not giving. But it's okay. We'll get it done. Okay. We're going to push that back up a little some, because we don't want no glue on my edges, because I barely got any. So we're going to work with what we got there. Hey, this is what I do. I get a little... Put some like that.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
You place it. I go from the middle to the side and just press it in that glue. Put it directly where you put that glue in. Directly where you put that glue. Put it directly where you put that glue in. Yeah, I gotta plug these some more because this ain't giving what this side giving. I think I want to try Widow's Peak because it got this little peaky little thingy. So we probably gonna try that. So, dang, it's already giving a little Puerto Rican in this ear. Puerto Rican. Okay. Hair, please just vibe. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna push it to the side, okay? Now we're gonna put our bend on. And y'all, I ain't gonna count to. I put this band on for like a minute or two, or probably even 3 minutes, and go on by my day. Motherfuckers be saying put it on there for an hour, 40 minutes. You don't have to do all that. I promise you don't. As long as you got your handy dandy, you don't have to put that band on that long. And put it down in the bag also. Dang, what the hell them hoes at? Nah, hold on. Move the motherfucking naps out the way so I can see. Okay, I spray this on my hand. These glues be getting stuck by the top because it's so sticky, but it works. So spray this on my hand and I just place it right there.
Hands up high, every minute. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put this on, try to stretch it best way I can because I gotta find, cause I know they ain't send me no wig with no without no thing on it. Okay, back to this. That just pissed me the fuck off. Real shit. Minus a point, bitch. Minus a point because minus 2 points because that is we ain't gonna do two. I do like that. I just cut through the middle. I normally do it in sections. Excuse me. But, shit, I just cut myself. Don't do that at home, y'all. It's okay. You look a little raggedy right now. Yeah. First, y'all know how do your own hair can messy. It can get literally, it can get messy. This is what I use to do all that. So yeah, let's do it.
Put your hands up high, every minute. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Now, it's time for the makeup. Yeah, hold on. That. We're gonna tie this to my head again. Okay, this in real life. In real life, let me. My page just went dead. And y'all, that side been giving me problems because it ain't even plucked. It ain't even plucked as good as the other part. So I guess it been that it didn't. Okay. And let's brush it out. If you're not supposed to be over here, please go back to where you're supposed to be. We're not trying to do too much. We're just trying to give a little teaser for edges. If y'all stuck around to this part, I really with y'all. I really love y'all. Cause make sure you like, share, and comment. Please, like that. Like. But I really do it with y'all because y'all really trying to see your girl win. Y'all really trying to see your girl win. I love that. I love that. Listen. I love it.
Put your hands up high, every minute.
Oh. Okay. Oop. I would be that one edge. I would be that one edge. Okay, that'll be alright. Just look right there. You don't need to see. The hair is done. One thing we're not gonna worry about is stuff we can't control, so we ain't gonna worry about that. To the end, if you still watch to the end, if you did not like, comment, and share, and subscribe, please do so right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited for my new journey. I don't say this a thousand times, but I am so excited. I'm ready for the next banger. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. I don't know what the next video gonna be, but it's gonna be good, I promise. So yeah, y'all, that's all I gotta say for right now. Just stay tuned for the rest of the videos, y'all. I promise I got some good coming. I promise. So please buy my bookies. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video.
Bitch, put your hands up